So I would like to share some updates on this 7.3 project. As you can see, well, it's a bit messy. I'm putting things apart to clean and possibly paint. And today I've been trying to clean a little bit more the bay. It looks much better now. I clean all this and cover the cannons, clean them and cover them so they're protected. And the idea is next time I will clean much more the bottom and down here, which is quite horrifying. You cannot believe how much dirt this thing is accumulating over the lifetime, especially down there. And then I managed to finally put some screws out. They were giving some issues, and it gave me access to quite a lot of places in the throttle quadrant. The idea is to slowly start putting the pieces apart and without putting the entire thing out, to do a full cleaning of it, a bit of lubrication, and possibly some painting, but I don't know yet because this has some charm as well. But definitely cleaning. I mean, I will see. If I clean it and it still look good, I will not paint it. But this is a little bit fatty, right? So it does need to be removed to clean properly. I need to put some degreaser, and I don't want to mess up the entire thing. So I put also the light plates away so I can try them and clean them. And here inside I will start also evaluating how to probably connect stuff that has to do with the flight controls. But overall it's nice to see how it's inside, how it works. It's really smooth. All the parts are really smooth. So I think it doesn't need that much work. Just like really good cleaning. I just need to repair this cable sticking out here. Playing around, this thing went out of the rail. So I will remove the centerpiece, do some more cleaning, and then repairing that. And then what else I did, I've been cleaning, or the intention was to clean a little bit the liners part. So I removed some of them, the same here on the bottom. Did I say bottom? Yeah, no. Here on the top, I removed some of the, well, most of the liners, mainly to remove this foam that is quite annoying. And yeah, most likely those are going to paint, like you can see here. They have seen better days. They put this not so nice paint on it and it's peeling off. So yeah, it's time for a full nice work here. This airframe used to have the windows here and they cover it, so you can see. So they did this kind of thing to close the gap somehow, but yeah, I will see how can I repair this or make it better. Yeah, this is overall. There's a lot of work to do still, but at least when it's clean, then I can probably start putting some panels in and trying some electric stuff. Yeah, that's mostly it. Let's see how it goes the next time.